Yeah, so typically what happens, of course, is the point of sale solution either automatically asks the borrower once an application is filed or there's an inquiry made for a set of documents, right? And a lot of those documents are income related, pay stubs, W-2s, bank statements, tax returns, what have you. And so those documents, either the LO asked for them or the POS automatically asked for it. When those start to come in, they go typically into the LOS system, right? Some kind of an unassigned folder. And so True is monitoring that folder all the time. And as documents arrive, we start to process them, meaning we index them. We find out what they are. We file them away under the right name. And then we extract all the data off of those. And we cross validate that data, making sure that data is really trusted. They all match in all these different fields. At that point, we've got the kind of trusted data that we can give to Candor. So then our system automatically makes a call to the Candor service for processing that data. And we send all that data, and then I'll give it to Ryan now, and he can talk about what happens at that point.